Hi there, welcome to my channel and welcome to Missy's Kitchen PEI. I'm so glad that you're here today. In the kitchen today we are going to make energy bites. I'm super excited about these. My daughter told me about them, and as soon as I heard about them I had to make them. So let's get started and I'll show you what's in them. Okay, so to make our energy bites, the ingredients you're going to need are small chocolate chips or minis. You're going to need some ground flaxseed, some peanut butter, some oats, some honey, some coconut, a little bit of vanilla, and some chia seeds. So I'm going to go and toast the coconut on the stove, and then we'll get mixing everything together. Okay, so we're just going to toast the coconut. And I will make sure this recipe and the measurements are all down in the description box below the video. Doesn't take long to toast your coconut, so keep an eye on it. I've got it over medium heat. It's starting to turn color now. Like I said, it does not take long, and it will burn if you take your eyes away from it for a second. This one a nice golden brown color. And there we go. We have toasted our coconut. Perfect. Okay, so we're going to start with our dry ingredients. So we're going to put our oats in first. And then we'll put our flaxseed. Then our chia. And I have the toasted coconut here. Put that in. And our chocolate chips. And just give that a stir. Oops. And then we'll go ahead and put our vanilla in. It's a very, very easy recipe. Our peanut butter. And we've chosen a peanut butter with a little bit less sugar in it, but still smooth. And then we'll add our honey. And then we just mix it together. I mean, it already looks good. Just gonna get a spoon here. There is a little fruit fly flying around here. Don't mind him. He wants what we're having. There you go. So we are going to place this in the fridge for about an hour, and then we'll be back. So our dough has been in the fridge for about an hour. and it's nice and chilled. So you're going to make sure you have very clean hands to do this with, and you're going to need a spoon. So we're just going to go ahead and take a little bit out, and these have to be, well, they can be as big as you want them to be, but I'm going to do about an inch. Just like that. You can also freeze this dough if you don't want to make them all right now. And you can substitute. You can put dried fruit in these, white chocolate chips, you know, anything that you want to do, anything that you like, you can put in here. Very easy substitutions. And I've just got some miniature liners here. I just think they look nice in there. You can pack them in a lunch. It's a perfect little bite to give you a little bit of energy. I get a little low energy in the afternoon around 3 o'clock. And these are perfect for that. And there we go. And that's it. Very, very easy to do. No cooking required. And I'm going to go ahead and roll the rest of this. Maybe freeze a little bit of it. And I will be back. So we're going to go ahead and give these a taste test. You can really taste that peanut butter, the toasted coconut. So, so good. I love these. Now, that toasted coconut really comes through. It's a really nice taste if you like coconut. And I don't know if I can just eat one. They are literally better than a chocolate bar. And I love chocolate bars. So I encourage you to try these at home. They don't take long and they don't take any baking time at all. So yeah, thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Until next time, bye for now.